Hello friends, welcome. Our channel helps you know about various interesting things and facts. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Chikmagalur, known officially as Chikkamangaluru, is a city and the headquarters of Chikmagalur district in the Indian state of Karnataka. Located on the foothills of the Mullanagiri peak of the Western Ghats. The district borders Shimoga to the north, Davangere to the northeast, Chitradurga and Tumkur districts to the east, Hassan to the south, Dakshina Kannada to the southwest and Udupi to the west. The rivers Bhadra, Tunga, Hemavati, Netravati and Vedavati originate in the district. Chikmagalur district was called Kadur district till 1947. It is situated roughly in the southwestern part of Karnataka state. A large area of this district is Malnad, that is, a largely forested hilly region of heavy rainfall. The district takes its name from the headquarters town of Chikkamangaluru, which literally means younger daughter's town, Chikkamangaluru, in Kannada. It is said to have been given as a dowry to the younger daughter of Rukmangala, the legendary chief of Sakrayapatna. Sakrayapatna is a village in Chikkamangaluru. It is located in the Kadur taluk. Another part of the town bestowed on the elder daughter is known as Hirimagaluru. But some old inscriptions reveals that these two places were known as Kiryamugli and Periyamugli. Chikmagalur is the region where the Hoysala rulers started and spent the early days of their dynasty. According to a legend, it was at Sosevur, now identified with Angadi in Mudigere taluk. Sala, the founder of the Hoysala dynasty, killed the legendary tiger, immortalized in the Hoysala crest. It is known that Veera Ballala II, 1173 to 1220 CE, the great king of Hoysala Empire, has built the Amriteshwara temple at Amritpura in Tarikere taluk. Coffee was introduced into India through the Chikmagalur district when the first coffee crop was grown in the Baba Budangiri, also known as Dattagiri, range during 1670 AD. Although Chikmagalur has a cool and pleasant climate throughout the year, the best time to visit Chikmagalur is from September to May. Winter season spans from December to February here. This season is pleasant as the temperature ranges between 14 degrees Celsius and 32 degrees Celsius. Places to visit: Kudremukh National Park. The Kudremukh National Park spans 600.57 square kilometers in the districts of Chikkamangaluru and Dakshina Kannada. It is home to various animals, including the leopard, bear, gaur, sambhar, jackal, mongoose, tiger, wild dog, spotted deer, barking deer, and giant flying squirrel. In addition, the park is home to a variety of species, including the Malabar trogon, Malabar whistling thrush, and imperial pigeon. Mullanagiri. Mullanagiri, being the highest peak in Chikmagalur, is blessed with an unmatched beauty. The view from the summit is even more beautiful and sees hordes of trekkers visit the place to fulfill their adventurous desire every year. Hebbe Falls. Known as one of the most exotic places to visit in Chikmagalur, Hebbe Falls offers a rejuvenating escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. With an enthralling view, Hebbe Falls is believed to have sacred herbs in its waters that can cure diseases. Baba Budangiri, Datta Pita. It is a sacred pilgrimage spot in Chikmagalur for both the Hindu and Muslim communities. It is famous for its shrine of Hazrat Dada Hayat Mir Qalandar, who was a 17th century Sufi saint. The place is also notable for the caves, which are believed to be once the residence of Sri Dattatreya Swami. Kallathigiri Falls. It is one of the most panoramic Chikmagalur tourist places and offers an unforgettable trip for everyone. Kallathigiri Falls is surrounded by serene valleys and has a small temple called Veerbhadra Temple that attracts a number of tourists to this place. Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary. Nestled in the Western Ghats, it is known for being a habitat for diverse flora and fauna. It boasts of a landscape that is filled with lush green forests with the river Bhadra flowing in between. Some of the animals which you can spot here include tigers, leopards, Malabar giant squirrel, etc. Bhadra Dam. Bhadra Dam is built on river Bhadra, which is a tributary of the river Tungabhadra. It supports the lifeline of the region and offers many benefits from irrigation, drinking water, industrial use, and hydroelectricity generation. Hanumana Gudi Falls. Hanumana Gudi Falls, also known as Suthanabbe Falls or Suthanabbi Falls, is located in the hilly surroundings of the Kudremukh National Park. Hanumangundi Falls is located between Karkala and Lakya Dam. Shardamba Temple. Shardamba Temple is a renowned Hindu temple built in the 8th century. It was constructed by Sri Adi Shankaracharya and dedicated to goddess Saraswati. This ancient temple once had the original idol of the presiding deity made of sandalwood, but it was later replaced with a golden idol. Built in the Dravidian style. Kemmangundi. This beautiful hill station is popularly known as Kea Hills and was known as the summer retreat for the Mysore King Krishnaraja Vodaya IV. One of the best places to visit in Chikmagalur. Coffee Museum. One of the most intriguing places to visit in Chikmagalur, Coffee Museum, and offers an interesting depiction of the history, processes, and varieties of coffee. The museum uses exciting ways to narrate the story of coffee like movies, songs, and interesting visuals. Manikyadhara Falls. Also known as Nellikai Tirtha, this beautiful waterfall is amongst the most picturesque attractions in Chikmagalur and offers a great retreat for everyone. The name Manikyadhara means string of pearls and derives its name due to the natural phenomenon where its water falls in droplets shining bright in sunlight. Kadambi Falls. The Kadambi Falls are totally secluded and quiet owing to the fact that not many are aware of its existence yet. It's an enchanting local set in a dreamy setting with lush greenery and a light hedge. Z Point. Brace yourself for some sweeping views of the Western Ghats at Z Point when you are visiting Kemmangundi. The vantage point can be reached after an exhilarating steep trek, which makes this place his favorite among the trekkers. Jhari Waterfalls. Also famous as Buttermilk Falls, this beautiful waterfall is one of the most mesmerizing tourist attractions in Chikmagalur. Encompassed by serene coffee and tea plantations, Jhari Falls is a delight for everyone who wish to bask in the luxury of nature. This waterfall is formed naturally by the springs in the mountains. Horanadu Annapurneshwari Temple. Annapurneshwari Temple is one of the most popular places of pilgrimage in Chikmagalur. It is dedicated to goddess Annapurneshwari, who is goddess of all nourishment. Located on the banks of river Bhadra, it is one of the most revered Chikmagalur tourist attractions, which is surrounded by exquisite nature. The temple is believed to be constructed about 400 years ago by Agastya Maharishi. Kavikal Gandhi Viewpoint. The Horseshoe Viewpoint or Kavikal Gandhi Viewpoint can be easily reached by climbing up about 50 steps from this checkpost from the road. There is a small idol of Hanuman at the foot of the hill. Atop the hill, someone has recently drawn a painting of Swami Vivekananda. This hill is always windy and pleasant. From the viewpoint, one can get a breathtaking view of Chandradrona mountain range. Sitahalyanagiri. Sitahalyanagiri is situated on the way to Mullanagiri from Chikmagalur. The drive up the winding roads of Chandradrona hill on the way to Sitahalyanagiri is very scenic. One can get some mesmerizing views from the top of the peak, which is easily walkable from the parking area. Several visitors park their vehicles at Sitahalyanagiri and trek to Mullanagiri, which is about 3 kilometers from here. There is also a small quiet temple dedicated to Sithala Mallikarjun Swami. Kodandarama Temple. Kodanda Ramaswamy Temple is a highly revered Hindu shrine in Chikmagalur. Located on the banks of river Tungabhadra, this beautiful shrine is dedicated to Lord Rama, an incarnation of Lord Vishnu. Ballalarayana Durga Fort. The Ballalarayana Durga Trek holds an abandoned fort from the 17th century at its peak, and a gushing waterfall in the end. Dodabali Siddhargudda Peak. It is located in Shivgiri and offers a mesmerizing trekking opportunity for all the adventure lovers out there. The trail passes through the most breathtaking beauty of green forests and coffee plantations. Sringeri Sharada Peetha and Sringeri Math. The Sringeri Matha includes two major temples. One is dedicated to Shiva and is called the Vidya Shankara Temple, the other to Saraswati and is called the Sharada Amba Temple. The earliest version of the Shiva temple was built in the 14th century, of goddess Saraswati in the 15th century. Sri Veeranarayana Temple. The Veera Narayana Temple, also referred to as the Veeranarayana Temple of Belwadi, is a triple Hindu temple with a complex Hoysala architecture completed around 1200 CE. Kalsa. Kalsa is a beautiful taluk located in Chikmagaluru district. Kalsa is home to the Kalseshwara temple dedicated to Lord Shiva. It is located on the banks of the Bhadra river. Dishes one must try in Chikmagalur. Filter coffee. The Malnad coffee has a legendary reputation for being one of the best filter coffees South India has to offer. There is a unique way behind this filter coffee making, and that's what makes it special. Pathrode. One of the popular cuisines in Chikmagalur, Pathrode is largely an evening snack prepared in both steamed and fried style. The key ingredients that make Pathrode a must-have dish are colocasia leaves, coconut, tamarind, and spices. Halsina Hannina Kadubu. Snacks like Halsina Hannina Kadubu or jackfruit idli is the most popular among them. It is steamed version of sweets and have influenced the creation of several varieties of similar snacks across the state. Halsina Hannina Mulka or jackfruit fritters and Halsina Kai Papad or jackfruit papad are two other famous jackfruit-based Malnad foods. Akki Roti. Akki Roti is one of the most popular foods in Karnataka state. Even though the recipe varies from one region to another, this particular Malnad Akki Roti is the most common and favorite food among travelers here. Hesrubele Kosambari. The simplicity of the dish is what makes it so special. Soaked raw green gram dal or mung dal and grated carrot are the main ingredients used in the preparation of this salad. Huli Avlakki. Malnad style Huli Avlakki or Goj Avlakki is a tasty savory breakfast dish popular among the locals. Prepared by boiling salt, jaggery, and tamarind and then mixed with roasted red chili, gram dal, and urad dal powder, it is said to induce a sensory explosion in your taste buds. Chini Kai Kadubu. One of the specialty Malnad dishes is Chini Kai Kadubu, also called pumpkin idli. Prepared using grated pumpkin and rice rava, this breakfast dish is typically prepared during the first day of the Diwali festival. Kadubu. Extremely famous in Chikmagalur, Kadubu has religious significance too. It is believed that Lord Ganesha was very fond of Kadubu. Made with rice, coconut, and butter, it is really delicious and can be served with any curry. Obattu, also called as holige. There are different variations of Obattu, which is basically a sweet flat bread stuffed with coconut gratings, chana dal, kova, dates, jaggery, etc. However, to get the authentic taste of Obattu, you must taste the local variants in Chikmagalur. Experience this delicious item while adding some butter or ghee on it. Chigli Chutney. Taste the extremely tangy and spicy chigli chutney made from red ants. The process starts with hunting the nests, and then the ants are roasted and ground with garlic, chili, onion, coconut, and other spices. This winter delicacy is believed to be effective in preventing cough, cold, and pneumonia. Halsina Kai Palya. Gujje Palya or Halsina Kai Palya is a famous dish made by raw jackfruits. Enjoy this appetizing side dish with a bowl of hot steamed rice. You can also prepare Halsina Kadubu and Halsina Kai Happala with jackfruit. Kesa. As colocasia leaves are easily available in heavy rainforest regions, you can taste a special cuisine named Kesa, made from colocasia leaves in Chikmagalur. This healthy food item is highly rich in iron and can be a great complementary dish in your platter. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get more updates.